Presenting VEGA Feather Touch 4-in-1 Trimmer. The trimmer has 4 different attachments, a cleaning brush and is IPX4 washable. To use these trimming heads, all you have to do is push down the desired trimming head, rotate it anti-clockwise to fit it on the main body and switch on the power button. For trimming eyebrows, attach the eyebrow trimmer comb head and start trimming gently in the opposite direction of hair growth. For removing facial hair, attach foil shaver head and start gently rolling around the face, chin and upper lips to get a perfect clean look. For removing hair around the ear and nostril, attach the nose trimmer head and move the trimmer gently inside your nose and ear. Now for removing hair around underarms, attach the body trimmer head and start running the trimmer against the hair growth. Once you are done with the process, use the cleaning brush to clean the blades and wash off the trimmer under the running water. And just like that, add flawless and beautiful feel to your skin.